Welcome everybody back to the Building Equity Podcast, the Foreclosure Report covering April 2023's numbers. Listen, before we start, I got to give you our disclaimer. We're not giving you any financial advice. This is strictly for educational purposes only, and we'll leave it at that. Listen, as always, every month, the Foreclosure Report is brought to you by IRA Title Pro. If you are buying and selling real estate using your self-directed IRA, you should know about IRA Title Pro. Head over to iratitlepro.com. Take a look at the entire suite of offerings they have for you to use at every step of your journey, whether you're buying, selling, or lending using your IRA. IRA Title Pro is also a closing company. Please feel free to reach out to them if you have any interest in using IRA Title Pro to close your transactions in 33 states across the country. Let's dive into the numbers. The big news for April's numbers is clearly the drop in the REOs. If you were to look nationwide, there was a 39% drop between March and April. So April numbers came in at 2,919 REOs. That's down from 4,791. That's 39%. If we look at the foreclosure sales, we can see a almost 7% drop in April, where we were at 15,647 compared to March, which was 16,821. For foreclosure starts, we were down about 7% as well, 7.1%. We had 21,991 in April compared to the 23,676 in March. If we were to look at a state basis, if we go back to the foreclosures, which is that huge 40% drop, we see from a volume standpoint, Illinois, Pennsylvania, New York. But if we switch over to per thousand houses and we look at that information, it's Illinois again, Alaska, and Louisiana. From a sales standpoint, volume, Texas, California, Georgia, which is kind of what we see per thousand homes, Alaska, Georgia, Michigan. And foreclosure starts from a volume standpoint, what we normally see, California, Florida, Texas. But if we switch over to per thousand houses, we're at Alaska, New Jersey, Illinois. I hope this information was helpful for you this month. Please feel free to head over to IRA Title Pro, sign up for your state-specific foreclosure reports, sign up for your state-specific single-family rental data. And again, we're here and happy to help you. See you next month.